What's up, guys? It's the coach, Mr. Bond, Mr. Big Overnight, and I'm here to talk about a very serious medical issue that some women do experience, and hopefully we can shed some light on it and talk about, how to deal with it, and hopefully see more, persons getting treatment necessary. But before we get into the video, remember to like, save, share, and comment on these videos. Let's get it going. Okay, so we're going to discuss what we call Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. For short, they call it the PCOS. And some females do suffer from it, and it's pretty much a hormonal imbalance. So it says here it's a common condition that affects your hormones. It causes irregular menstrual periods, excess hair growth, acne, and infertility. Treatment for PCOS depends on if you wish to get pregnant, and people with PCOS may be at a higher risk for certain health conditions like diabetes and blood pressure. So we see why exercise plays a role and is vital, and your nutrition and diet as well. All right, so I'm reading also from the Cleveland Clinic website here, in case you're wondering. So this hormonal balance, unfortunately, it can affect your ovaries. And in case you don't know, your ovaries are the organ that produces and releases eggs. So this hormonal imbalance, it creates a lot of problems, I'm not gonna lie. And your ovaries produce unusually, if you have PCOS, your ovaries will produce unusually high levels of hormone called androgens. All right, this causes your reproductive hormones to become imbalanced. As a result, persons have to be careful with this, and oftentimes irregular menstrual cycles as a result of having PCOS, you will experience situations where you miss your periods and unpredictable ovulation. All right, so ladies, it's time to really check out yourselves. If you are not aware, and persons who are trying to get pregnant, you should probably consult a doctor about these situations. We're not going to go too deep into that right now. We're just going to go quickly to the symptoms and causes. All right, so most common signs and symptoms of the PCOS include, irregular periods. Abnormal menstruation involves missing the periods or not having a period at all. So that is something that's very evident, and it may involve heavy bleeding during periods as well. So different indications out there, but it's evidently clear through that. Other cases of abnormal hair growth. So women, you will experience more than normal facial hair or heavy hair growth on your arms, chest, and your abdomen, also called hirsutism, and this can affect up to 70% of people with PCOS. Next, acne. PCOS can cause acne, especially in the back and chest and face. And this acne, unfortunately, can continue past the teenage years and may be difficult to treat. Next is obesity. Overweight. Between 40 to 80% of persons with PCOS have obesity and have trouble maintaining a weight that's healthy for them. So wherever you are in the world, you need to pay attention to this, because there's serious complications with this syndrome. And also darkening of the skin. You may get patches of dark skin, especially in the folds of your neck, armpits, groin, between the legs, or under your breasts. And this is also called acanthosis nigricans. Acanthosis nigricans. Sorry. All right, next, cysts. Many people with PCOS have ovaries that appear larger or with more follicles, egg sac cysts, or on ultrasound. Next, skin tags are little flaps of extra skin often found on your armpits or your neck. Thinning of hair. People with PCOS may attract loose patches of hair on the head or start to bald. And lastly, infertility. PCOS is the most common cause of female infertility, where you're not ovulating, unfortunately, on a regular basis or frequently enough to be able to conceive. So we're going to leave it here with the evident signs of the polycystic ovary syndrome. And the next video we talk about, ways how you can get treatment. All right. And don't lose hope, and we will stay in touch, everyone. If you like this video, share, like, save, comment, and please exercise and eat right, and we will stay in touch. Peace out, everyone.